Hey everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the CAIIB and JAIIB channel of English Medium by Adda 24/7. So class, as we know that in CAIIB, you people have to face with 5 subjects. So in CAIIB, 4 compulsory subject is there and 1 elective subject is there, right? If I just talk about the subject, so CAIIB is basically all about the 5 subjects. So that is your ABM, ABFM, your BFM subject, and the last is BRBL, and then your elective 5 subject. Okay. So why this BRBL subject is different from the other subject? Because guys, this BRBL, all these 3 compulsory paper, you will face with theoretical and numerical questions. Okay, but BRBL is the only subject which is totally theoretical one. It means whatever I will teach you in the BRBL, in real life of you can see the theory in the banking business. So that's why this BRBL subject is important and it's a practical paper. So this is not only to clear your exam, but this is for day-to-day banking business structure. So that's why this BRBL subject is the important, total theoretical, and you can easily score 80 plus marks in BRBL paper. 80 plus marks you can easily score. So guys, if you are new in this session, first of all, do not forget to subscribe our channel, okay, and share the session as much as possible. So now let's start with the session, okay. Number 1 point is that importance of BRBL CAIIB exam. So first is professional knowledge. CAIIB exam provide in-depth knowledge of banking subject. In-depth knowledge of banking subject such as credit management, foreign exchange, risk management, financial analysis, banking laws. This helps banker to understand the banking system clearly and systematically. So guys, professional knowledge of what? Banking laws is very much important. So basically, if you can see here, so in BRBL subject, you people have to face total 25 act. And literally class, all 25 acts you people face in day-to-day banking business. So by understanding the BRBL, it means you are just gaining the professional knowledge. Because see, all the law subjects I have done in my LLB, but this CAIIB, totally banking related, we can say the concept you people have to understand. See class, suppose if I just teach you the Indian Contract Act. So Indian Contract Act contains total 238 sections because every act have a section. So it contains total 238 sections, 38, okay. But only small portion of your Contract Act. It means hardly 5 to 10 section of Indian Contract Act is there in BRBL subject. So one thing you have to, you can easily understand that this BRBL of 25 act, you do not have to mug up all the concept. So from Indian contract, only 5 to sections you have to understand. That is a part of your syllabus and that's apply in the real banking business. So that's why this subject give you the professional knowledge. Career advancement. So passing this CAIIB exam, it is basically for the help with the link, it just link with the promotion, higher salary benefit, professional recognitions in BRBL and other bank. It strengthen the employee profile, increase the leadership opportunity. This is very much important. See, in your bank, you can face the bankers who have not qualified the CAIIB and those who qualified the CAIIB. The difference will be but obvious, the difference of money and the difference of knowledge also. Some student while preparing the CAIIB exam, they just think that I will crack the paper, I will just pass the paper of CAIIB. But actually, whatever you people are just studying, this is just your knowledge is increasing. And you're just gaining a tremendous knowledge in this BRBL subject. Okay, so for career advancement it is important. Improve the decision making. So class, whenever the law subject come, you always law, that is judge, that is advocate, right now. So whenever we just listen the word law, judge, advocates always come in our mind. So guys, by BRBL, it improves the decision making. You can make the better financial and credit decision because they understand policies, regulations, risk factor more accurately. Exactly. Because the basic thing of any law is to just make a law for every field. So that's why BRBL will really help you to improve the decision making. Standardization and ethics. The exam promote ethical banking practices, compliance with central bank guidelines, which is essential for maintaining the trust in the banking sector. Exactly. Suppose class, if any banker, if I just tell you the real example, okay. So class, suppose if any customer is coming, he is giving the jewelry for deposit. It means the contract is creating between bank and customer. So the term bailment, pledge, mortgage, set off, journal lien, hypothecation, everything is the legal concept. And that legal concept you are applying in your BRBL subject. So that's why this is important. And if we talk about the importance of real banking example, so guys, practical application of knowledge. Real banking help bankers to apply CAIIB theory in day-to-day work such as loan appraisal, customer service, account management and the recovery procedure. So guys, for recovery procedure, suppose you people have to see DRT, you people have to study the SURFACE. So in every point you can see the act, in every point class. Okay, so this one. Skill development, practical experience improve communication skill, problem solving ability, teamwork, customer handling skill and cannot be learned only from the books. Exactly class. Skill development, because law is nothing but common sense and logic. So guys, you have to apply your common sense also. And then the last is understanding the customer need. Exactly. So this is the only subject where you can see every point, handling the real challenges by studying this BRBL subject. So guys, if we just conclude, so BRBL, CAIIB exam and the real banking experience complement each other. CAIIB builds strong theoretical knowledge. This is very much important. Strong theoretical knowledge, while real banking turns the knowledge into the effective practice. Exactly. This is very much important. For successful banking career, especially in BRBL, both professional qualification and hand-on experience are essential. Together, they help create skill ethical in this one. So guys, whenever we just study the law in our colleges now, so reading is different, but in practical, when we just do the internship now, that create very, a good confidence in our life. So same thing apply to you also. Okay, so that's all for today's class. So guys, this is your batch, elevation batch. Recently, we have just launched the elevation batch. Do not forget to enroll in the elevation batch by applying the coupon code. And this is our first foundation batch. And this is my Telegram. You can please scan this barcode. You can come in my Telegram and you can ask your doubt anytime and anywhere. So right now, the heavy discount is going on. If you want to purchase any batch, apply the coupon